Hi everybody, how you doing? It is my day off, and currently I am tired of fucking not humanity, but just being in the presence of people. And I'm not tired of working because I love working. I'm just I'm not even burnt out. I don't know what I am. I just know that I need to spend a good chunk of today and tomorrow alone with nobody. I feel like I've spent enough time around people this week. And I'm tired. You know what I mean? I am grateful though. I feel like sometimes when we get tired, we start being ungrateful. I'm grateful for this fucking life. I'm grateful for this fucking world. And I'm grateful for God and the angels that watch over me. I found this curtain and I think it's like the prettiest shade. Um, it's like a mint kind of shade. Let me see. It's like a beautiful minty shade. It's pretty. Gorgeous. Hey, what's up everybody? So I went to the thrift shop today and for about 30 bucks, I got so let's start with these curtains right here. I got this yellow curtain right here, which is beautiful. It has like, it's kind of vintagey, and then if I see anything like sheer curtain anything, I gotta get it. These are the flowers that my beautiful friends got me the other day. So yeah, it's just pretty decorated with one flower I had and a butterfly next to it. My room hasn't been set up, so I'm happy to have it set up now. But this is very cute right here. And then I also got this little lace one to tie it, which is really brings it together. Look how pretty that is back there. Also I got most of this stuff is thrifted, but the two white curtains back here, I feel like it just gives like such a beautiful, radiant vibe. So today I was in a very I was in a bad mood because I felt like I just have felt like I am always listening to people and I'm always like an emotional trash can for people. And I just kind of feel like, you know, I'm always in social settings with lots of people. I'm always talking to my friends, my siblings, everybody in my life. And I just feel like I haven't had time for myself. So I'm like forcing myself to be alone these next 2 days just so that I can vibe and be by myself. I just want to be like, if you hear my birdies, they're there. I just want to be like me by myself, not having to worry about like anybody or anything, because I just kind of feel like stretched out thin. And I feel like I've been kind of put into the situation where I just don't know even how to think or process anything right now. Love everybody, tired of everybody. The same time. This dream catch is really pretty right here. It's hanging from a ceiling fan. I got it some chemtrails, and then this one right here. I gotta get a record player pretty soon. I've got a little painting right there. Shelves with just little cute things. The colors in here, which I love the wall, painted baby blue. I wanted for this room to have a just a very chill vibe. So nothing in the room can be intense. Like the colors cannot be intense. If you notice, everything in the room is very mellow, laid back, chill colors. Nothing is too extreme. And, you know, honestly, that's the way that I prefer it. That's the way that I like it. Currently, oh, this is my little jewelry station. Isn't this a pretty station? I'm currently drinking this Uptime, which, you know, I've seen a lot of people drinking lately. Yeah, titties out. It's not really body positivity. It's just, I don't want to put a shirt on. The closet's over here. It's cute. My clothes. This is not all my clothes, but I tried to organize everything accordingly. You know, like pink, greens over here, and then over here we have like darker greens, browns, tans, navy blues, you know, over here baby blues. So that's kind of the vibe setup right there. And oh, I got this I think, what is this, Dolce & Gabbana light blue towel. I got that at Thrift, guys. Thrift, like thrifting is the way to go. Like, look how beautiful this little lamp is. Like, Thrift, you'll save money, hundreds of dollars, and you know, you'll have like such beautiful things. Currently at the store right now at the market, got me a drink. My brother's rushing me to leave, but I cannot find garlic. Every time I come to the store, I cannot find garlic. At this point in the day, we have our horchata. We went to the market a while ago, and we have homemade Alfredo sauce. We have shrimp over there cooking. I forgot the recipe, so I'm just kind of winging it off of what I saw online, because I don't have TikTok downloaded anymore. And yeah, this is where we are in the day. And that's that on that.